Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the iPhone 17. For that you will need the buttons for. So you will need the side button and as well the other side the volume up button. Press these both buttons just for short together and we are having here a screenshot. If you tap now here on the preview, you have also the chance to crop here a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And here at the top you have also the symbol with a pen in it, and then you can choose a pen from below here as well, the strength and the color, and then you can draw something inside here as well. If you're ready with it, just tap here at the checkbox and choose save to files or save to photos, and then it will be part of your gallery. Yeah, in a gallery, where are your screenshots? Here at the photos now, and yeah, here it is. By the way, you can go also here to the collections and then you will have here an own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.